Hello guys, my name is Amy. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing very well so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see a new video every Thursday. In the video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make a garter halter dress. This is the last episode for topic summer laundry dress ideas. This dress is super easy and quick to sew and also pretty and comfortable to wear in summer. Today I'm going to share you how to make it. Now let's get started. I also use silk fabric for this dress in light pink. It's shiny, light, and really smooth when I touch it. I already wrapped on the paper. It's really simple, just one draft for front and back. From this draft, I'll fold fabric in half and cut out front part. Then cut out 2 pieces of back and please cut the length of dress as you like. Now I'm going to stitching both stars on both front and back. Remember tie a knot after stitching. Then I cut string with 2.5 cm to cover the raw fabric at the armhole. At front side, I'm going to overlocking the raw fabric at the neckline, then fold it 2 cm inside and stitch it. At the back side, I'm going to overlocking the center line on both sides. And now, from top, go down 19 cm and begin to mark at there. Next, sewing 2 pieces together from there to the bottom. Next, from the top, fold 1 cm inside and stitching to making the keyhole. I also fold the neckline 2 cm inside and stitching in place. Now it's time to sew both sides together. I'm using an overlocker with 2 needles and 4 threads. If you don't own an overlocker, you can stitch in by sewing machine, then use simple zigzag to protect the edgy fabric. Next, moving on to the bottom of dress, I'll fold fabric double tie inside and sew hem. Now, I cut out 2 panels with 3 cm width and connect them together first to create a longer panel. about 140 centimeters length. Then fold it in half at the wrong side and sew it. Next, I'm going to cut the excess fabric. And use a tool to help me turn the right side out. Now, I'm going to fold and stick at the end of string, and remember to iron this string to make it flat. Lastly, I just thread this string through the neckline to finish. And here the final look. It's really pretty, light and comfortable, actually perfect for summer. Hope you all like this video and see you next Thursday. Bye!